the Ninja Foodi Grill. Will it warm a place in your heart and be worthy of a space in your kitchen? Or is it not hot enough for you? Let's quest. Hey friends, welcome to Quest for Tech, where every day is a quest to find the newest technology and video games.
With us being a new channel, we really appreciate your support. So do us a favor and like, subscribe, share, and comment below. And here we go.
Alright friends, today we're in the kitchen checking out the Ninja Foodi Grill. Now Ninja has many kitchen devices that are all about saving you time and helping you make great meals. And their Foodi Grill is definitely one of those. The Ninja Foodi Grill is on sale for $239 on Ninja's site, but you may be able to find it for $199 at Best Buy or Walmart. However, getting it through Ninja's site, ninjakitchen.com, will get you a couple of extras, like a 1-year VIP warranty, a 20-page chef-created cookbook specifically for the Ninja Foodi Grill, and 5 stainless steel kebab skewers. So for $239, those extras do add value to the package. Now let's look at what you get standard with any Ninja Foodi Grill when you buy it. So the first thing you get is the Ninja Foodi 5-in-1 indoor grill with the 4-quart air fryer. It's a 1760 watt unit. You also get a 10x10 non-stick ceramic coated grill grate, a 4-quart non-stick ceramic coated crisper basket, a 6-quart non-stick ceramic coated cooking pot, and a cleaning brush. So with all that, what will the Ninja Foodi Grill do for you? Well, Ninja says that their Foodi Grill delivers the perfectly char-grilled flavors of an outdoor grill and the speed and versatility of an air fryer, all in one easy-to-use, virtually smoke-free appliance. And I can tell you that they're pretty accurate with that assessment. We've spent some time using the Foodi Grill, and it definitely lives up to everything Ninja says about it. The Ninja Foodi Grill is great at a lot of things. It's great at indoor grilling. It gets up to 500 degrees within a few minutes, and they use this rapid cyclonic air technology that gives your food that tender, juicy taste inside and that char grill texture on the top and the bottom. If you have frozen foods, you can put them directly in the grill and have great cooked meals in less than 20 to 25 minutes. Your foods are also going to be cooked a lot healthier because the grill uses little to no oil. Since the grill gets hot above and below using their cyclonic grilling technology, there's no flipping required, so you can make steaks, chickens, or a bunch of other things without having to flip them. So looking at the grill grate, you see it has this cyclonic shape, a circle. That's how the grill heats the foods. So it cooks everything all around. The Ninja Foodi Grill is great at cooking steaks, burgers, fries. You can even make a roast, fish. You can grill sausages. You can bake desserts. You can dehydrate foods, which we haven't done that yet, but everyone I talk to says it's great. And you can air fry chicken strips, pot stickers, french fries, and chicken wings, and more. But we mainly use it for grilling and air frying. The Ninja Foodi Grill is healthy, fast, super easy, and the food tastes great. And it's very, very close to the taste you'd get from grilling outside on a gas or charcoal grill. Except it cooks it much, much quicker, and it's way less of a setup and cleanup process. So why should you get the Ninja Foodi Grill? It's easy to make food, it's quick, it's easy to clean, you use little to no oil so it's healthier to bake foods, and it does a lot for the price. We use it all the time and it's definitely been worth the money. So with that being said, we rate our reviewed products on a 4-star scale, and the Ninja Foodi Grill gets 4 stars. Alright friends, that's all we have for today. Thanks so much for questing with us. Do us a favor and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification so you don't miss any of our newest videos. Also, leave a like if you like what we're doing, and we really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching, friends. Take care of yourselves, have an amazing day, and never stop questing.